morning, students. Today in this session we are going to learn a group of persons and their occupations. So let us learn how a group of words can be replaced with a single word. Okay? So first, name the person. Who cures the diseases of the heart? That is cardiologist. Number 2. Who cures deformities and diseases of bones? That is orthopedist. Number 3. Who fits glass into windows? That is glazier. Number 4. Who mends pots and pans? That is potter. Number 5. Who deals with the diseases of women? That is gynecologist. And number 6. Who writes for newspaper and magazines? That is journalist. Who makes and repairs the things of iron? That is blacksmith. Who designs buildings and supervises their construction? That is architect. Who writes for newspaper and magazines? That is journalist. Who is a member of a ship's crew? We can say sailor, we can say crewman, or we can say voyager. Okay? Now we will discuss what these persons do. Okay? Number 1, that is weaver. Weaver, someone who makes threads into cloth, is known as weaver. Number 2, that is radiologist. Radiologist means a radiologist is a medical doctor that specializes in diagnosing and treating injuries and diseases using medical imaging, which is known as radiology. Number 3, that is meteorologist. Meteorologist, a person who studies the weather, is known as meteorologist. Number 4, that is auctioneer. Auctioneer, a person who organizes the selling at an auction. And number 5, that is dispenser. Dispenser means a container or a machine from which we can get something. Okay? Number 6, that is engraver. Engraver means a person whose job is to engrave things. Engrave means to cut words, pictures or patterns into the surface of metal, stone, etc. Number 7, that is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist means a doctor who is trained to treat people with mental illness. Okay? Then number 8, that is clothier. Clothier, a person or we can say a company that makes or sells cloths or clothes. Okay? Then number 9, that is undertaker. Undertaker, a person whose job is to prepare dead bodies to be buried and to arrange funerals. Okay? Then number 10, that is launderer. Launderer means a person whose work or business is washing, drying and ironing clothes, etc. Next, that is orator. Orator means a person who is good at making public speeches. Okay? Next, archaeologist. Archaeologist means a specialist in archaeology. Archaeology means the scientific study of prehistoric people and their cultures by analysis of their inscriptions, monuments, etc. Then next, that is seamstress. Seamstress means a woman who sews especially and earns her living by sewing. Next, ornithologist. Ornithologist means an ornithologist is someone who studies ornithology. And what is ornithology? Ornithology means the branch of science devoted to birds. The branch of science which devoted to birds. Then next, that is caterer. Caterer means a person or we can say a company hired to provide and serve food. Okay? Next, that is archer. So what do you mean by archer? Archer means a bowman, a person who shoots arrows through the air by pulling back a tight string on a curved piece of wood is known as archer. The next, that is sorcerer. What is sorcerer? Sorcerer means a man with magical powers and who is helped by evil spirits. Sorcerer means a man with magical powers and who is helped by evil spirits. Next, that is traitor. And what is a traitor? Traitor means a person who is not loyal to his or her country, friends, etc. The next, that is patriot. A person who loves his or her country and is ready to defend it against an enemy is known as patriot. Next, that is jockey. Jockey, a person who rides horses in race, especially as a profession, is known as jockey. So today we have discussed these 20 persons and their occupations. I hope, my dear students, you have understood this. I want you should write in your notebook.